There's nothing worse than walking around with your teeth sensitive. I've seen people of all ages from all different backgrounds. When their teeth are sensitive or when their teeth are in pain, basically their world sometimes comes to an end. It's a very, very dominating pain that can really debilitate a lot of people.
After bleaching my teeth, I wasn't aware of the tooth sensitivity I might have afterwards. So I have a big glass of Diet Coke with a lot of ice in it, take a big drink, and just want to drop to the floor. Very sensitive.
Just eating ice cream. You know, I like to go for a Dairy Queen with my children, and it wasn't as enjoyable because it hurt.
Like a shooting pain through your teeth.
For so many people, this is no longer an enjoyable morning ritual. But it's not just hot beverages. It might be iced tea on a hot day. Anything warm or cold can cause that sudden pain associated with tooth sensitivity. And that's no way to start your morning or to spend your day.
It takes the enjoyment out of your coffee when you take a sip and your teeth hurt and you have to stop. And I like my coffee nice and hot, not lukewarm, so that is part of the problem. You have to reduce that sensitivity so you can enjoy your coffee in the morning the way you like it.
I was sensitive to cold air, any hot or cold liquids.
I drink cold water all day long. I had to wait for my water to get room temperature, so that wasn't as enjoyable because cold water is definitely better than warm.
If you have sensitive teeth, you know exactly what they're talking about. You probably even have your own tricks and tips to deal with it. But wouldn't it be great to not have to deal with it ever? What if the sensitivity just went away?
I'd say it is immediate. After the first application, you can take a drink of your cold drink much more comfortably, and every day you use it, it dissipates more and more.
The sensitivity just disappeared. Even just after a week of using it, it was completely gone.
I would say probably within a week or two, I noticed the difference, and since then it's almost gone.
Maybe you've tried products that claim to help sensitive teeth and you've been disappointed. So then what's worked for all these people? The answer is simple. They found a way to give their teeth exactly what they're missing.
Calcium and phosphate are two minerals your teeth need. But over time, these minerals are lost, leaving your teeth in a state of mineral imbalance, depleted and weakened. Unless these minerals are replenished, your teeth will be more susceptible to sensitivity, decay, and other dental problems.
Tooth sensitivities come from a variety of different avenues. Number one, most common, is probably just overall recession. As we mature through age, we lose some attachment of gingival tissue, gum, and what happens is root surfaces are exposed, so that can cause some sort of sensitivity. Removal of tooth structure such as enamel or dentin can cause tooth sensitivity. Applying different things to tooth structure such as phosphoric acids in beverages like Coca-Cola and different drinks can cause that, as well as fruit juice.
It can be as simple as teeth not being right in someone's bite and being prematurely hit. That causes a lot of sensitivity. You can have restorations that were recently done. That causes a lot of sensitivity. Whitening. Whitening is probably the most popular thing that we do in dentistry right now. And with whitening, one of the side effects is sensitivity. So sensitivity can come for many, many reasons, coming at you from all different directions.
If you have dry skin, you use a moisturizing lotion with vitamins and nutrients for your skin and the problem is solved. But when your teeth are lacking in nutrients, they hurt and they look unattractive as well. So what you need is something that's like vitamins for your teeth. Something that can put back what the teeth have lost. Well, that something is here. Introducing Mipaste, the dentist-recommended natural answer to the cause of tooth sensitivity that dentists and hygienists use on their patients. And now you can use it yourself at home. We've all heard that milk helps build strong bones and healthy teeth. Well, the people at GC America heard that too. So when they wanted to create a product that addresses the cause of tooth sensitivity, white spots, and weak teeth, they started with milk.
The secret behind Mipaste is a natural protein found in milk. This protein is extracted and used to create Mipaste. Mipaste is not a toothpaste. It is a topical cream that you simply apply to the tooth surface. Its patented and revolutionary method of combining the milk-derived protein with specific minerals allows Mipaste to deliver the calcium and phosphate to correct the mineral imbalance in your teeth. These minerals infuse with the enamel rods, strengthening and rejuvenating them. This results in healthier teeth that are more resistant to white spots, decay, and the discomfort associated with sensitivity.
Some patients are more prone to cavities than others. There are 3 factors that can influence this. One would be oral hygiene. One would be diet. The third one would be quality of saliva. The first 2, oral hygiene and diet, are controllable. You can change your diet, you can brush more and floss more. The third one, saliva, we used to not have control over. It's whatever your body produced. This is where Mipaste will come into play. Your own saliva is rich in calcium and phosphate. If your saliva is not rich in calcium and phosphate, the trick used to be how do we get that back into your saliva and into the oral environment. Mipaste makes that a whole lot easier now.
Since I've been in dentistry, there have been a lot of products that have evolved. During the evolvement of these products, you have to look at what really is working and what's not. Mipaste has really done a great job of setting themselves apart. This is a product that just truly works. You look at all the different products that are out there to cut away sensitivity, and some of them, just quite frankly, just don't work that well. You look at Mipaste and what it can do for the health of your teeth and cutting down sensitivity, there's nothing better.
I think it's important for us as a society, not just as clinicians, that we go green. And one of the things about going green is to use all natural organic ingredients, not things that are just synthesized in the laboratory. Using natural products that come from cows, basically, milk, is nothing short of miraculous in today's age of using technology.
Mipaste is like science helping nature do what nature does best.
So who should use Mipaste? We've probably already made our point about those who suffer tooth sensitivity. But who else do dentists and hygienists most often recommend Mipaste to?
Let's say that you've just got done whitening your teeth. Mipaste is a perfect way of removing that sensitivity from your teeth.
I was just so happy at how easy it was to use. And the children loved it, the flavor. It was mild. It wasn't, I have children always complaining that it's spicy with the traditional fluoride. And so with Mipaste, it was a pleasant experience for the children.
So is Mipaste for you? Maybe you know all too well the pain that can accompany a hot cup of coffee or a cold drink of water. Well, maybe you want whiter teeth but have trouble seeing the process through. Or maybe you just want stronger, healthier, more attractive teeth.
Not only is it helping you in ways that you can see and feel by enhancing your whitening and reducing your sensitivity, but in ways that you can't see or feel either by actually incorporating the calcium and phosphate into your tooth surface and making it stronger.
I've been working in a dental office for 35 years, and I have never seen a product like Mipaste. I've never seen patients with such incredible results. Even young, old people like to use Mipaste. It's not strictly just for a certain age group. The kids don't mind the taste. It's easy for the parents to apply, unlike brushing their teeth, which they can't stand. They like the Mipaste. I love it, and I think that the patients love it as well, and it's been a great thing for us.
There's really only one way to know if Mipaste is right for you. Ask your dentist or hygienist. And hey, wouldn't now be a perfect time? Get a great start on your day.
If you experience tooth sensitivity, especially when eating or drinking hot or cold items, experience frequent decay and develop cavities more often than you'd like, have visible white spots on your teeth, perhaps related to orthodontic work, if you're currently taking medications and feel the symptoms of dry mouth, or you're thinking of whitening your teeth with a longer-lasting result, Ask your dentist or hygienist today about Mipaste or Mipaste Plus with fluoride added, the #1 dentist recommended calcium and phosphate supplement. It's a breakthrough that has everyone smiling.